Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to start with an interesting topic.
What are we going to learn today?
It's addition. Have you heard of it?
No, ma'am.
Today we are going to learn about adding numbers. When we put things together, we call it addition. We use this special sign plus. It's called the plus sign.
What does the plus sign do?
The plus sign tells us to add things together. Let's use balls to understand better. Here we have one ball. Let's write the number 1. Now we see 2 more balls. We will write the number 2. When we want to add these together, we write it like this. 1 plus 2.
Oh, I see. But what does that mean?
It means we are putting all the balls together. Let's count them all. Count with me. 1 ball plus 1 more ball plus another ball. How many balls do we have altogether?
I counted 3 balls.
That's right. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. We write it like this. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
I get it now. The plus sign means we are adding things together.
Exactly. You are doing great. Let's try the next one. What is the sum of 2 plus 3?
I'm not sure.
No problem. Let's use the number strip to count forward. Start at 2 and count forward 3 more.
Okay. 3, 4, 5. I landed on 5.
Great job, Aman. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's write it down. Great job, Aman. I think you have understood it. Now let's try another one. What is the sum of 5 plus 0?
I'm not sure.
Let's think of it with pictures again. If you have 5 apples and no more are being given to you, how many apples do you have in total?
Oh, I know this one. I have 5 and no more. I still have 5 apples.
You are right. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Let's write it down. Aman, you are doing great. Let's talk about the order in addition. If you have 4 balloons and someone gives you 5 more, how many balloons do you have now?
Let's see. 4, then 5 more. That makes 9 balloons.
Excellent, Aman. Now let's use our number strip to check. Start at 4 and count 5 more steps. What number do you land on?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I land on 9.
That's right, Aman. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's write it down together. Aman, you are doing great. Just a few more to do. Let's find the sum of 5 plus 6.
Is it 11?
Let's think it over. Imagine you have 5 candies and someone gives you 6 more. How many candies do you have now?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 candies.
Exactly. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Let's write it down using vertical addition. Let's solve a fun problem with 3 numbers. You have 3 apples. You get 2 oranges. You find 4 bananas. How many fruits do you have? Let's add them. 3 apples plus 2 oranges plus 4 bananas. What's 3 plus 2? Yes, 5. And 5 plus 4? Right, 9. You have 9 fruits. Now let's add 2 numbers. You have 4 red balls. You get 3 green balls. How many balls in total? Add 4 plus 3. What's 4 plus 3? Yes, 7. So you have 7 balls.
Thank you, ma'am. We all have learnt addition now.